All right, we're making some brownies tonight. We got some flour, we got some cocoa powder. Didn't have any brown sugar, but we had this weird cocoa sugar or something in there, so we're gonna try it, see if it works. Then we got some regular sugar and then some salt. Don't ask me the measurements. This is not my recipe. I kind of just like half-ass this, so we're working with what we got. And we got some dark chocolate. I like dark chocolate in my brownies, so that's what we're gonna do. And we also got oil and some butter. What we're gonna do, put that in that pan right there. Take this butter, kind of chopped it up a little bit. Put it in there. Set the butter up. Do it. There we go. Put it in there. And we're gonna put this on low over here. College kids, we haven't cleaned this yet, so yeah. I apologize about the mess. We set that on low and just get that melt. We're gonna combine our flour with our cocoa powder. And there. Kind of mix that up a little bit. Cautious, because this cocoa powder will get you. Smokes up a little bit. Now we're gonna put the sugar with the other sugar. Also, there's some salt in there. Forgot that part. Almost forgot about that part. We're gonna do that too. Mix it up in there. It's about a teaspoon of salt. We're also gonna do this as well. Get that mixed up. Oh, something I forgot to mention. We got 2 eggs. We're gonna put 2 eggs in there too. Do it one at a time. Ooh, right there. Mix that up too. Break the yolk in there. Get all nice. That one was a little tougher than the rest. Put another one in there, like that. We'll mix that around too. Get that nice in there. Get all nice. We'll also put our dark chocolate in here now, why not? We're not going by any rules. We're kind of just figuring it out as we go along. No big deal. Nothing major. We're gonna figure it out though. That's enough. So we got our mixture of butter and oil put together. We're gonna put it in there. Why not? Probably not right, but whatever. We're gonna try this way anyways. I'm not gonna read too much into it. I cook with the heart, not whatever everyone else does. Put that to the side and start mixing this up. Start whisking it. And once that's done, we will go and find a baking pan. All right, we got the brownie mix done. Gotta spray it. We got vegetable oil right here. It's not that bad. I'm gonna put that in there. This is thick. See if we can scrape that in there. Ideally, you want an 8-point or an 8x8 pan. This is not. It's all we got. We're college students. We're broke. This is that's how we're doing it. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. You can put it in there for like, I don't know how long. It's pretty thin. So probably like 20 minutes, maybe. All right. Now we put whatever this is into the. I'm not a baker, guy. I'm not a baker. All right. I looked it up on YouTube and I didn't have all the stuff and then I just was like I'm gonna just try to make it. 20 minutes. Put it in there and yeah, it looks pretty good. Actually turned out better than what I expected. It filled out and all's right in the world. We're gonna let these cool for a second and then dig in. Thanks. We're gonna do a little taste test, so we're not gonna end it now, but you know what I mean. Go ahead, close. Boys, they didn't turn out that bad, I don't think. But we're gonna cut them and see if they stick together and are nice and tasty. Okay. So where do you think we should cut, cameraman? Right here.
You should cut it where it needs to be cut.
You're right, dude. Holy shit. Oh, it comes off nice too. All right, we're gonna try it. Not as bad as I originally thought. And that's pretty good. It's pretty good. Stay hydrated. Thanks for watching. Bye.